Yes, ma'am. Medium or large Coke float, ma'am? Okay lang. Yes, mami. Medium or large Coke float, ma'am? Large to. Yes, ma'am. Medium or large Coke float? Sige lang. I-take order na kang mami. Okay mo, medium or large Coke float? Medium. Okay, tap niyo mo dyan. Ayan. Okay, yes. Any additional, ma'am?
What do you want?
What do you want? What do you want?
What do you want? What do you want? I will buy. I will order.
Ang dali na. Nuggets? Ah, shake first. Cheese or barbecue? Cheese? Okay. Regular menu. And then, tap kita sa fries. And then, medium or large? Imo, shake. Cheese? Okay, cheese. Okay, in additional. Okay, as ma'am. In additional, ma'am. Okay, for dine-in or take-out, ma'am? For dine-in? Here? Or take-out? Okay, for dine-in. Okay, 137, your total bill, ma'am. Tell mami, 137, ma'am. 37, ma'am.